Welcome to watch me unpack my Etsy store shopping from a Etsy store called Spacebird Crafts. This is a German shop and I found them shipping rates in EU reasonable and the shipping was quite fast. I have no connections to this shop, I just loved their art. I got myself two memo pads. The first one is this Kingo one. And they had more pages than I had expected. And the second one is this beautiful dark mushroom pattern. I also bought a holosticker set with these three beautiful stickers. I just couldn't decide which one I wanted, so I got them as a set. Then they also sent me this one sheet of notepad, and I also got myself a sticker sheet. I got 4 rolls of washi tape. First one is this beautiful lily of the valley and moon and stars washi tape, and I just think this is beautiful. All of these are super beautiful. This queen bee pattern is the one that drew me in. I absolutely love this pattern. It's beautiful, it's nature, it's moon, it's witchy, and it's everything I love. Third one is again mushrooms and moons and beautiful potion bottles. I think this is super cute, so yeah, I just had to order this one as well. And the last one is flower stamps washi tape, and there were a lot more flower patterns than I expected it to be. So this is washi tape but can be like cut into individual stickers. The flower stamp washi is 5 meter long roll and the 3 other rolls are 10 meter rolls. Which one was your favorite? Because I love all of them and I can't decide. Please leave a like if you enjoyed watching this unpacking.